All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Kat Krasilnikov. I'm one of the founders of Beach Bus Influencers. And today we're going to learn about one very amazing feature on Instagram that's going to help you to grow your business a lot faster. And this feature can be helpful for those who just started on Instagram, have no idea how it works. That was me now a very long time ago, and also some of the experienced ones who do it all, but it might open your eyes on this feature that's very often ignored. And we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to actually show my screen and show you guys how to use it. So if you follow any attraction marketing, influence marketing educator like me, you will hear many, many times. So, in order to become an influencer and start attracting your perfect prospects to you, there's 3 steps you need to follow. And for some people, it's kind of like becomes complicated. 3 steps, that sounds like too many. So, what are these 3 steps? First of all, you need to grow your audience. And usually you can do it by attracting people to your posts when you speak to the right people in your posts, right? We're not trying to reach everyone and anyone. We're not shouting out on top of our lungs that our products are amazing or our company is amazing, because that's not going to attract you many people. We learn how to attract specific people who are already interested in what you're offering, right? So the first step is to attract them to you. Second step is to build relationships. And the third step, promoting to those people that you've built a relationship with your products or your services without being salesy weirdo. So 3 simple steps. And for some people, it's kind of like too complicated. It's too many steps. So with this Instagram feature, you can accomplish all of these 3 steps in just one post. Well, how cool is that, right? You can attract the right people, you can build relationships and promote your stuff all in one post. Like, is it even possible? Well, it is possible to do it on Instagram. And I'm going to tell you, it's not always going to work on Facebook unless you already have a lot of people who know you, like you, and trust you. So, Instagram is still the best place to use this feature, because Instagram is the image driven platform. That's why people go there. They want to look at the pictures, at the images. They're not going to read a lot of text. So, we're going to dive right into it. And you guys let me know if you'd like to learn how to create one post and achieve all of these 3 things, major things of attraction and influence marketing. So, we're going to dive right in. So, I'm going to actually share my screen if I still remember how to do it. Looks like I still do. So I actually created a little slideshow here. So, and what I'm talking actually about before I start sharing my screen, I'm talking about Instagram carousels. So, Instagram carousel is a post where you can put up to 10 images. And this feature was created by Instagram to help users to tell a story, I will put it this way, in one post. To users who, let's say, have several products to showcase that need to be showcased in one post. To users who want to tell a bigger story and it's just not possible to capture it with one image, so you can post several images at once, right, to capture that story. Now, if you are a creative network marketer, you will spot this feature right away, because it's a brilliant idea on how to, just like I told you, attract the right people to you, build a relationship in one post. Can you imagine? And promote at the end without being that salesy weirdo. Still grow your network, still grow your influence, and promote whatever you need to promote. So, how it can be done using Instagram carousels. So, we're diving in right now. So, first of all, you need to open your Instagram account. You need to have one. And we will need to start creating a post, which is you need to push on the little plus sign right there in the upper right corner. So once you push on the plus size, meaning you want to add something, right, to your account. Plus means adding, as far as I remember it from my elementary school. So that's self-explanatory. It will ask you, what is it that you want to create, right? So it's going to be first option, a post. So you're going to click on create a post, and it's going to automatically pull up your recent videos and pictures on your phone. If you, of course, give permission to Instagram to access your camera roll or your pictures file. So, and there will be a little, almost like unnoticeable, kind of like multi-picture sign right there that you have to click on. If you want to tell Instagram, I want to put more than one image in one post, but these images need to be pre-done in advance, and they need to be pre-done strategically. So the first image, it has to be either a headline or a question that you're gonna ask your perfect prospects, not everyone, your perfect prospects, that's gonna attract their attention. For example, here, if I'm speaking to struggling network marketers, right? I wanna tell them that I wanna share with you 3 ways to attract your perfect prospect. If you're someone who tired of chasing people and want to learn how to attract the right people, you would want to know these 3 ways, right? And usually, ideally, you can put like a little arrow here, or like a three little dots, so they know they have to swipe. Some people don't know that yet, right? But usually if there is like 3 little dots underneath an Instagram photo, it means there's more photos there, and you can scroll through them or swipe through them, and there will be in here on top saying 1 out of 4 or 1 out of 10. But some people don't know it, so you can like have to train them. So you can like put little arrow right here or say swipe, and people will know what they need to do. So once you click on a multiple image post, you will be able to choose up to 10. But in this particular post, I only need 5. So first one, like I said, they have to be pre-done strategically, and I give you another example besides this one. So 3 ways to attract your perfect prospect. Of course, next image will say number 1, and you choose it. Here it is. Oh, so number 1, number 2, number 3, I give them 3 ways, right? I give them 3 tips in my images. And the 5th one is going to be call to action. If you want more tips like that, you can say, follow me on YouTube, if that's what you do on YouTube. If you want more tips like that, grab my link in the bio section. If you want more tips like that, if you want free consultation with me, check out the link in the bio, whatever it is. So you grab their attention, you give them the value in the next 3, 4, 5 images, and then you give them call to action in the last image. So it's a brilliant way to attract your prospects, to build relationships, know, like, and trust, and to promote in one post. So if it's done correctly, it can be really, really successful. So, and once you choose all your 5, 6, 10, however many images, all you have to do, click share, right? There's other options. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. But this type of post works on Instagram like a charm. Like I said, it's not going to work as effectively on Facebook. It's a different platform, or Twitter or Tumblr. So it's up to you. You can test it and see how it's going to work for you. So it's very simple. You share and your post goes out there. So let me stop sharing my screen because I want to give you one more example how it can be done. Awesome. So let me know, guys, if it gave you some idea. You also can create a story. Let me show you how you can also, you can create sort of a story, and each image will be a part of the story, but you always have to talk to your perfect prospect. And my second favorite way to create carousels is to ask people questions, attract their attention that way. Like I'm speaking to them, right? I'm diving into their mind and trying to help them, trying to identify their problems. So let's say first one could be, is your team quitting? That image is going to attract them, and that question is going to attract them too if their team is quitting. straightforward. So second post can be another question. So I keep conversation in their head going, tired of chasing friends and family. And if they keep answering yes on these questions, right, they will keep swiping. So the next will be call to action. Get instant access to social recruiting secrets. It's kind of like, if you have this problem and if you have this problem, I have a solution for you. So it works perfectly on Instagram carousels. And after that, I'm kind of like justify their decision. So get that formula, uh, or whatever it was, recruiting secrets, social recruiting secrets, and recruit faster without prospecting, right? So it's kind of, oh, and there's the last one, grow a massive and incredible team. So first I started with the question and their problem, and then I told them there is a solution. You can grab social recruiting secrets and you will get the result. So I oh my gosh, I guided them through their journey. Like, yep, you're right now in the Sackville. You want to be in an awesome town. Here's what you need to do. So and like I said, the graphics needs to be done in advance, but it's very simple process. So decide how you're gonna, step number one, decide how you're gonna attract those people to your post, how you're gonna grab their attention, whether it's gonna be a statement that they're aware of that's going on in their head quite often, it's their problem that they want to solve, or ask a question, right? Like this, 3 ways. What was the first one? 3 ways you can attract your perfect prospects to you. Who wouldn't want to know that, right? So then you give them 3 tips, up to 5, I would say. Don't give them more than 5. And then a call to action in your last one. So it's the first way how you can do it. And second way that I just showed you guys, you ask them one question, then you ask the follow-up question, then you give them their solution to that problem that rises with that question, and you justify their call to action but by showing them what's going to happen if they use your solution. So it's very simple. There's so many ideas how these carousels can be done with the products, with the service, or with just showing people who you are and how you can help them. So it's very amazing feature. I'm really glad that I had a chance to show it to you. Even if you're not very good on Instagram, I probably still brand new to Instagram, but I keep exploring different features and how they can be applied in our industry effectively. And this is one of them. So it's one of my favorites. So if you are a network marketer who want more strategies on how to grow your business on social media without chasing friends and family, and how you can attract the right people to you, we have tons and tons of trainings and solutions for you. There might be a link below or above this video that you can click, or you can just comment, raise your hand and say, I need help. And we will reach out to you and help you to guide you to your next step. So this is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna all go and start creating your Instagram carousels. But like I said, be strategic, be intentional. Don't just do it just for the heck of it. And enjoy the process. So have the rest, have great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.